Roman Pfaffer. I'm a winemaker from Austria, from the Weinviertel region, and we are here now in one of our most important vineyards. The name of the vineyard is Hunsleiten, and I have in my hand a Grüne Veltliner grape. It's a very typical Austrian grape. It's the most important grape variety, and yeah, let us taste the wine. We picked the grapes very late, in the beginning of November, and fermented 50% in big wooden barrels, 50% in stainless steel. It's a very deep, full-bodied Grüne Veltliner. You have very ripe fruits, orange fruits. It's very peppery, spicy, and a long finish. So, this is the wine, and this is the grape.